Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's just open the Gmail application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and just to log out from one from these accounts on just from Gmail app, we should log out from Google account in our device. So just to do that, click here to manage accounts on this device, and here select for example the first account. Then just click here to remove and tap to remove account again. And now here in Google account settings we can see that we'll stay only with one Gmail account, and when we'll go back to the application again, we can see that here in app will also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. That's how to log out from Gmail account from Gmail app on our device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.